I command thee. I am the lord of all that is golden.
What's good? This your boy MFG Rich Forever, aka the Hood Nerd, back with another one with the Adventures of Kuta Elden. We gotta get it popping with this DeathBird. I'm gonna let y'all niggas know this DeathBird really wasn't that bad and wasn't that good either. You can get crazy on your ass, but it could be really easy beating this guy. What you need to do is get these holy water pots. I don't know if you need to craft them. You need a good amount of mushrooms to craft this shit, though. I don't know if you have the right cookbook to craft it or not, but you need to get these holy water pots, man, and have at least a good 5. If you throw a good 5 of them at him and that'll take like half his life. If you give 5 of them and then just beat him up with whatever weapon you have, you should be pretty good. So let me show y'all how I did this like this. Now, mind you, Kunta don't even got no armor either, so hopefully he don't see my ass, man. Alright. Sneak up on his name, catch him on the back. Big ass. Oh shit. Yo, he didn't see me, yo. That's crazy, yo. Good, because I'm going to need it right here. Grab these holy waters right quick. Where you going? Grab this leaf real quick. Where you going? Where you going? Holy water pot! Holy water pot! Look at that. That's two holy water pots. Did that much damage to him. My weapon wasn't doing nothing to him. Watch, you'll see when it will. Catching me with these combos, boy. Bah! Catching me with these. Holy water pot! Holy water pot! Holy water pot! Clapping it, nigga. Holy water pot! Holy water pot! Clap it, yo. Yeah, I chose. This was an easy dub right here. This was an easy dub, man. He's not even that hard, but you get that holy water pot. I'm trying to tell you, he'll go down real fast. We new to this YouTube, so subscribe to the channel today and be a part of the Hood Nerd movement and community.